building sealant on both of these flanges, and then they are
Sorry,
clamped
if you
together.
don't mind, Rob, the video wasn't on. If you can just start, I have Rob here who's going to describe the whole. I'm so sorry. Okay, please go ahead. So you've got this
Okay.
panels here.
Yeah,
please.
what you're seeing here is our structural insulated steel panels. So they're 36 inches wide and 5 inches thick. This is the interior face. This is the exterior
Like
face.
you can see out here, the exterior base,
This
and
is the exterior.
Yeah. So this is the exterior. We could get it in different colors, and this is the interior.
Correct. That's
Okay.
correct. So the panels will fit together tongue and groove style. So you can see this tab goes into this slot.
Oh, so that's excellent here. So it's
Yeah.
like almost like a plug and play,
Yeah.
and that's what we want to be able to make our life easier to put the walls together very quickly.
That's correct. So along this line, there's a continuous bead of building sealant that's field applied, as well as this line. So there's 2 field applied beads of building sealant. Once the panels are fitted together in a vertical nature, they're clamped together from this side and this side to bring the panels into full contact.
Okay.
That is, in principle, as easy as it gets.
Okay.
So the panels will end up being fit together, so they have 36 inches coverage. So 2 panels together become 72 inches, and then it will look like this.
Oh, wonderful.
That is erected.
So this is an erected spot out here that you can see, and different color shades also that you can see out here, that you can make it look very modern out here, the external building. And so coming back here and are these numbered also based on your design and stuff like that, so people know
That's correct.
exactly how they come together?
That's correct. Each panel will bear a sticker that corresponds with its assembly guide, so that you will have the proper position for each one of the panels to easily go together on the job site.
So once again, the insulation, insulation, what's the?
Our value is R28.5 with exceptional air tightness as a building system.
Oh, that's wonderful. That's pretty high. What's the traditional R value that it's acceptable in the building code industry?
Usually it's around R22 to R24, depending on which region you're in, but we're R28.5.
That's excellent. That's a point to be noted. This is R28.5. So insulation is airtight out here. You're getting a very high quality insulation. So the beauty out here that you can see, you've got the structural external thing already done for you and the insulation. So you're getting 2 things in one shot, and also the designs that we will give you that are right out of the box, that you can almost have a kid put this whole structure together in a very short span of time. But once again here, could you describe here, because what are these steel panels out here?
So with the building system, you attach the surfaces together, walls to roof, walls to floor. Every time you've got a surface that connects to each other, you use a galvanized steel angle. These already are pre-bent and pre-cut from the factory. So
and what would be the size of these galvanized so that it passes the structural element of it, basically?
The engineer will design it, but they're typically 14 gauge, 5 inches by 4 inches, and you fasten them with mechanical fasteners.
Oh, that's almost 14 gauge. That's almost like using HSS steel. So this is really replacing HSS steel. This is another beauty of what we've got going here, because HSS steel becomes a lot more expensive and cost prohibitive. But here they've done an ingenious thing of bringing this 14 gauge already ready to done. So structurally, you're very sound to put all the walls and the modules together, basically.
Well done, Sanjay. Well done. So mechanical fasteners angled to panel surface. That's basically how the system goes together. Again, like we said, it is very easy to put together. Even a child can do it.
Once again, I'd like to kind of highlight, you've got these panels here, but you also have this system of these tongue and groove, or I don't know, what do you call these things? And what's the use? Those are tab closers to put the different mods together?
You'll notice that the tabs will fit inside of the flutes of the panels.
Oh, I see. So that they can kind of plug and play, basically.
That's correct.
So the whole idea is everything is plug and play, really simple, to make your life easier and quick build and fast, reduce the cost of build, and really our goal is moving towards affordable housing out here. Any other inputs that you may have?
No, that's it. And honestly, Sanjay, it's so easy that You have seen it all.
Absolutely.
Do you want to see some buildings that have been made?
Absolutely. So do follow us. I will be kind of also showing you some buildings of how they're built with this system, how quickly they can go up, basically. Thank you. Stay tuned.